on what we got.
Oh, shit.
Fuck. Damn.
Fuck you, Scooter. Jesus Christ, what's going on, man?
Look at this.
We being tailgated right now, man.
I can't even eat fruit in peace.
Yo,
It's 20 miles an hour over here by the beach. Homeboy want to go 40 behind me.
God damn, yo. Hey, slow down back there, sir.
All mad and worked up and hostile. Relax, Papa.
His AC's probably broken.
His AC ain't working. He's high. His girl's probably fighting with him, yelling at him.
Facts.
I was sitting here eating blueberries.
Word.
To our
Comrade right there.
fellow comrade right here.
There he at. He's on the sidewalk.
That is King Bayako.
He's over there looking like a 2-cent hoe. Look at him.
Ready to scoop some up.
Look at him.
Hey, buddy.
What broke down? Nah. Christ. What now?
Barely fucking struggling. Anderson Silva.
My guy Scooter broke down.
Same, man. Boys smoke their greens, you know. Eat your greens. Play yourself.